Assalamualaikum, Ahmed here. Welcome to the lecture 15 of class 3 English. If you open your books to page number 18, we have this activity B2 here. It says find the words in the story for the following. Like the words are actually given in the story. If you have already gone through the story, then it will be much easier to solve. And like the first statement here says, a person who makes things out of wood. The person who makes things out of wood is actually a carpenter. Carpenter word is actually given in the story. The father of the boy was a carpenter, and to cut wood or stone into shapes, the word for this statement is carve. When you carve them, you give them shapes to hard objects like wood and stone. And for this one, the father of one's mother to, or father the father of one's mother or father. Yes, it is a grandparent, because he is the father of someone's father or mother. Grandfather. And for this one, a room where someone does a job like carpentry is a workshop. And the wife of one's son is daughter-in-law. DAUGHTER, daughter in law. So this one here, so solve it on your books. And until next video lecture, Allah Hafiz.